Hello friends, my name is Vikas Kumar and you are watching ILM Plus Tech Zone. So today today we will be discuss date time. Okay, so Python date time. Yeah, what is date time? So how can you implement current time in your project? Okay, so today talk about like date and time in Python. So firstly, uh, a definitions. So a date time in Python is not a data type. Okay, so means Python not a data type. Okay, so this is one. It's one. But we can import a module name. Okay, so this is date time means a module. Okay, so module name date time to work which date as a the date object. Okay, so basically this is a module use current date, okay, and times and years and any date time function methods you are implement. Okay. So firstly, how can you use? So use it import a date time. Okay. So firstly import a date time. So date time is a module. Okay. So create a variable. Uh, so create a variable equal to date time. This is a module. Then dot date time. This is a class. Okay, a module class, and now is a method inside the method in class. Okay, so now method is called. So this is a current date time. Okay, current date time. So print them uh, 2022. Then month is the 9 month. Okay, and 15 uh, this is the day. Okay, date. So this is the date. Then uh, and two hour two okay, so this is the time. Okay, so the hour, minute, second, and microsecond. So this is the format of the format in that time. Okay, so second create a object. So this is the create a object date time. So date time module and class then the define the time date. Okay, so define the date like 2022 and 4 months and 25 dates. Okay, so this is the date and the print. So this is the date only date, not define the current time. Okay, because you do not call like now methods inside the functions. Okay, so this is only give you output your date. Okay. Then what is current year? So use it. So this is the use it like uh, x2 object. So this is a method. Okay. So x2 dot years. So print then the years means current years. What is current year you are found? Okay. So 2022. This is the current year. So uh, this is the current year. The next datetime format. So how to datetime format? So this is the format like firstly years, then months, and day, and hour, minute, and the second and microsecond. This is the format. So the date content years, month, day, hour, minute, second, and the microseconds. This is the datetime format. Okay. Then uh, a method like strf time. This is the method and given symbols like y. Okay, so the small y, capital Y, a. Okay, so and more than this is give you symbols and to specific uh, specific get date time format. Okay, so like hour, minute, seconds you are get your page. Okay, and okay, my date times the given your more than symbols like this. Okay, this is the symbols A, A means week, D short version means Wednesday. Okay, VED short version. Then this is the use directive. So we can do full version like Wednesday. Okay, and like this the year short version without set country. Okay, so like 18. Okay, then full version like so 2018. Okay, then hours. So this is the symbols of use this is okay. So percentage and B. Okay, so we can see. Okay, so first time is the x3 and that time is now. Okay, now that time then fetch the data like str strf time. So I have used percentage a. Okay, so this is a fully version weekendly. So this is the Thursday. Then uh, str strf time. Then percentage a. So this is small. So this is the short version weekendly. So this is the Thursday. Okay. Then sec next again check like symbol. So this is the uh, percentage in Y. So years. Okay. So this is year shortly. So only 22. Okay. So not properly, not a full version your should. Then second, the percentage capital Y. So this is the 2020. This is the year, current year. Okay, because I have used it the now methods. Okay, so inside the class the now method. So is the current date time, all over current date time. Okay, then 5 6. So this is the symbol used. It means hours. Okay, then hour and minute second. So this is the 15 hour 3 hour 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Okay, so this is the date time. Then second I have prepared like math. Okay, so Python is the math. I have covered it. So okay, so firstly define uh, see the definition. So like Python has a set of built-in math functions. Okay, so basically math is the built-in in function. So including an existing math model. Okay, so existing math model then that allow you to perform mathematically tasks on number. Okay, so this is a model use it perform any mathematically task. Okay, so firstly we are about main mini functions and the max functions. Okay, so built-in math functions. So firstly mini and minimize. So this is function get in the list. Okay, so this is function get in list tuple minimum number. Okay, list and tuple minimum number. So this is the list. So list one. So this is the element and the minimum number. So this is the minimum number like 3. Okay, so then I use it call mini functions, then argument pass like a list. Okay, so then the execute and print out the minimum element. So this is the minimum element like 3. Okay, then second example like tuple. Okay, this is the first list and second example the tuple. So this is the element tuple element, then call the mini functions. Okay, then argument pass. So tuple is the pass and print mini. So this is the our output is 2. So because uh, this tuple inside the two minimum numbers. Okay, then second like max functions. Okay, so max means the maximum of number in the list and tuple. So this is function get in the list tuple and max number. Okay. So list and tuple in the max number get in the get in this function. So max function. Okay. So this is a list is, and this is a elements and the maximum number. So 989. This is the max number of a list. So maximum equal to max function called, then argument passes like list 2. Okay, then printed the 989. This is the max number this list, and similar to tuple. Okay, similar to tuple, then argument passes max function and print the. So this is the 99 is the max number. Okay, then the ABS functions. So what is ABS function? So ABS function return the absolute positive, okay, absolute positive value of the specific number. Okay, so we can argument pass like a specific number. Okay, only a specific number, then given output a return like a positive number. So we are only put on a value argument. So one value and argument is the put this. Okay, and only work and tuple. So not work like list and dictionary anything. So only work in the tuple. So this is a list, this is a tuple. Okay, so change name tuple. Okay, tuple, and now tuple tuple. Okay, this is the tuple. So tuple element like negative number like uh, negative number. So 90 sorry 89, 89 is the negative number. Then you are call like ABS and argument pass the tuple 3, then print result 90 90. Okay, so this is the output, this is a positive number. Okay, this is a positive number, not similar to like list, because not working this method. So this is the bed operand type of the ABS list. Okay, so this is the not work, only tuple and not given the not given more than argument like minus minus 60. Okay, because you only have share tuple one element, uh, put put in the one element. Okay, then lastly the POW. This is the POW function. So how can you use so function return. So POW function return the value of x to the power of y. Okay, so x the power of y means 2 and 2. So 2 to the power 2. Okay, so xy. This is the example like print POW then 2 and 4. So this is the power of 4. Then return your value your 2 to the power 4. Okay, this is the your output is the 16. Okay, so next example, this is uh, other method like a equal to 5 and b equal to 4. So output is a POW AB. Okay, then print output. So 625 is the output because 5 5 5 5 the power 4. Okay, so this is the output. Then the math module. Okay, so math module, Python has also a built-in modules called math. Okay, so which extend the list of mathematically functions to use it. So mathematically functions to use it like um, use it the math module. Okay, so you must import the math module. So firstly, uh, only given one example. Okay, so math the math dot squirt. Okay, sqrt method. This is a function. So method, for example, return the square root of the number. Okay, so firstly import the math, and second x equal to math dot square. So 625 is the number. So this is the number, and the square root. So this is square root output like the 25. Okay, so this is the print is the 25, and 25 into 25 is the 625. So your square root. So this method use like a square root. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you are understand like date time and math modules. Okay, so thank you so much.